No, maybe that was Connor's car.
Do you want to eat just straight up?
I'm gonna go buy one at
Home. Dang, I stuck really.
Hey guys, I got this gluten-free muffin from this place in California, and it is so moist. It's banana, but it doesn't crumble at all, and I want to get the recipe so I can make it for you guys.
Let's go.
He also got a gluten-free muffin, but accidentally got milk in his coffee. And he ate gluten yesterday, so yeah, he's gone through it. Anyways, there's Rachel. There's Sam.
Hey guys.
Hi, Biden. Connor.
Like a bird, fly away. I don't know about Is it 50 a piece?
No, it's like 50 to 100. That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
All her glory. Wait, it's Is that actually you can smell it? Connor!
I just can't stop. Hey, yeah, she's all that I need. Everything that I got, you know. No, I gotta have it. It ain't gonna lead nowhere. Except to the many leeches to the people with the problem, but nobody cares. Cause all I do is sit and dream about drinking them women and music. It's just gonna give me another reason to use and abuse it.
we're so bad.
So like I do.
You hem me in, behind, before, and you lay your hand upon me. Such knowledge is too wonderful for me, too lofty to attain. Where can I go from your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I go up to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn. Isaac, I think we could camp here for the next week.
Ready to rip?
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
To die? Nah.
Dang, bro. It's not gonna happen. Oh, actually. Yeah.
Bracelet on.
Ain't no great whites coming for me, bro.
It's actually so good. Bye, boys.
Guys, you want me to go like a little bit further over?
It's so I light it up. I live it, that's all I wanna do is burn.
California girl.
It's so I light it up. I live it, that's all I wanna do is burn. I live it, that's all I wanna do is burn down. It's so I light it up. I live it, that's all I wanna do is burn. It's so I light it up. I live it, that's all I wanna do is burn down. It's so I light it up. I live in the earth.
Is that Connor back there? That's definitely Connor back there. Okay, me and Rachel are gonna go run in the ocean.
I'll come with you. Unless you don't want me to come with you.
No, you're welcome to. Are you gonna be surfing today?
I can get a wetsuit for sure. Not trying to get hypothermia today though.
That's true. That'd be
you?
unfortunate. I might, depending on if Rachel has fun.
Valid.
Yup. Your eyes are so pretty. It's like not focusing, but that's okay.
Nice.
Thanks. Connor and Rachel and Isaac are gonna go surf, and I'm gonna watch.
Yep.
And if Rachel has fun, then I'll go. But I'm too scared. It looks bored.
Dreaming of the sun 2,000 miles away. Salty skin
Are you not going out here?
getting high all day. But I'm stuck here in this place where it's all cold and gray.
Is that sufficient?
So, I thought our beef was between us.
How was it?
So hard.
You got out there like so fast. We also saw you get clobbered.
What, when I was trying to go out?
Oh, that was crazy.
Not gonna lie, I was about to come back in when I was trying to go out.
Really?
I was getting absolutely destroyed.
Like straight out of the 70s, bro.
I'm just gonna play all
Get us back in here,
day
Isaac.
in my own holiday. Paint my bedroom blue with waves, turn the heat to 98. Forecast calls for cold till May. 2 weeks and I'll drift away. So I go drifting out of time. Oceans in my mind, wearing sunscreen inside. So I go drifting out of time. Riding waves in my mind, drinking somewhere to lie.
What is for dinner?
Gluten and milk ingredients.
What are you guys actually having though? Vegetable with it has beer, even though Connor's gluten free. And this is milk, even though he's milk free. I'm not tripping. We literally Googled it. I'm tripping. It says no. I hate that.
We need to move quick on it because as soon as
gonna go buy one.